of this water, guys? The state of water is what? What is the state of water? Liquid state. Understand? So this is also we can say it is the combination reaction. So this is also we can say what? It is also a combination reaction. Like tell me so many examples you can make, which you studied in class 9, class 10th, anything already you studied so many. Anybody can tell me. What is that, guys? Now reacting with iron plus sulfur. You tell me. So iron will react. Class 9 you studied. Have you remembered, brothers? Iron plus sulfur, mixture plus compound will study 2 times. Have you remembered? Yes. Properties of iron sulfide and iron plus sulfur. Elmukil, I only taught you. Class 9th chemistry, chapter number 2 will study. Studying the properties of mixtures and compounds, will take iron and sulfur. Do you remember? One time just we'll mix it, and next one will burn it. Okay. So now burning. So iron will react with sulfur. So we have to burn. Burn means we have to represent how? I told you the symbol, making more informative. How we can represent? Heat.
Triangle.
Reaction.
Delta.
With a delta. Understanding? Delta. So which will give you iron sulfide, which is also in solid state. Understand? So that is also combination reaction. Next. Hydrogen will react with the chlorine. Let me see who will say. Hydrogen is a gas, will react with the chlorine. So which is also will give you what, guys? But it is under sunlight will takes place. Sunlight, which will give you what?
Hydrogen.
Hydrochloride.
Chloride.
Chloride. Sir, hydrogen.
HCl.
Yeah, remember. What is the difference between hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid? Anybody can tell me? This is
Hydrochloric acid liquid.
Yes.
Sir, it is diatomic.
Sir,
That is-
hydrochloric acid is aqueous state. HCl.
Very good. Remember,
Yes,
HCl, aqueous state is called as acid. Do you understand? It is acid which is dissolved in water. What is that? Which is dissolved in water. Do you understand? So, this is only will shows the acidic in nature. Do you understand, everybody? Acidic in nature. Which one? Which is dissolved in water. But in products, we are not getting aqueous state. We are getting gaseous state. This one, we will condense it. We will condense and we will form liquid hydrogen chloride, liquid. And this one, if it will dissolve in water, then what will form, guys? Dissolve in water, then what will form? We used to get hydrochloric.
Hydrochloric acid.
Understand?
Aqua.
That is you have to remember. Aqueous state. So if it is gaseous state, you should not call it hydrochloric acid. What we used to call? What we used to call? What we used to call if it is gaseous state? We have to call it as hydrogen chloride. Understand, brothers? That is the reason I am teaching this example. 90% people will commit the mistake in this. That is why be very careful. The product, whenever hydrogen chloride is coming as a product, which will be in gaseous state. So here you can see hydrogen plus chlorine react, hydrogen chloride. Only it will dissolve in water. We used to call it as it is acidic in nature. So when the acids will show the acidic property, only when they will dissolve in water. Do you understand, everyone? Alana, Durga, when the acids will get acidic nature, only when they dissolved in water. Clear, guys? Yes, please respond. When they dissolve in water only, they will get their acidic nature. Remaining time, they won't show the acidic property. That is what. Next. Yes, next. Formation of salt. Anybody? Example. Formation of salt. Salt, NaCl. NaCl, normal common salt, yeah. So that is what? So chlorine gas. Yeah, NaCl.
Sodium chloride.
Yeah, that is what. Very good. Next, ammonium chloride. Anybody can tell me? White fumes will form. Ammonium chloride. If will pass ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride.
NH4 plus
NH4.
Careful. NH3. Understand? NH3. Again, I am saying you. Ammonia will react with a hydrochloric acid gas. Okay, not liquid state. Remember, hydrogen chloride. Okay, hydrogen chloride. Be very careful. This is the most important reaction. Here I am not taking hydrogen chloride. What I am taking? hydrogen gas I'm taking, not hydrochloric acid. So hydrogen chloride will gives you ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, which is in solid state. So we can see, we used to observe a dense white fumes will form. What is indicating, guys? A dense white fumes will form. It is indicating what? Formation of ammonium chloride. Understand, brothers? Tamil Selvan, Vaityan, that is what. So that is what you can say combination reaction. Next, N2 plus O2. N2 plus O2, what will give, guys? Anybody? N2, what is the state of N2? N2 is gas.
Two
Oxygen also gaseous state. Gives you
nitrogen,
dioxide, which is also, sorry, nitrogen oxide. Yeah, nitrogen oxide, which is also in which state? Nitrogen oxide, which is also in
gaseous state.
that is. Now, this nitrogen oxide will react with again oxygen, excess oxygen. What is that? Excess oxygen. Understand? Then it will form what, guys? If we heat it, then this is what it will form: nitrogen dioxide gas. Nitrogen dioxide gas. So as I already taught you, what is the temperature required for this? Elmukil, can you say? Formation of nitrogen dioxide. I already taught you long back. Formation of nitrogen dioxide. It is required more temperature and pressure. Do you remember? Formation of nitrogen dioxide. Yes, please respond. Okay, I not mention the temperature, so no issues, but heat is required. That is how to remember it. So that is what we can say. It is a nitrogen dioxide will form. Next, same way, tell me. Yeah, calcium oxide will react with carbon dioxide, then it will form one product. Anybody can tell me this? Calcium oxide also we can call it as what, guys? Calcium oxide
Quicklime.
will react with
Quicklime.
carbon dioxide gas, then it will form calcium carbonate. What is calcium carbonate? Okay, that is you have to remember. So this is also combination reaction. But what is the example of under combination? Mukesh, Karthik, what is the example under combination? Compound plus compound will give you again what? Compound. Clear? That is the example of this. That is what I am saying. Okay. Next, ammonia plus water. Can you tell me? Ammonia plus water. Ammonia gaseous state. Water will be in liquid state. Will gives you what, guys? Anybody? Ammonium.
Or ammonium plus oxygen.
Hydroxide, not ammonium. Ammonium hydroxide. Yelmukel, how you can say plus? Directly it is single product, correct? Ammonium hydroxide. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, here I will show you two equations. Learn very carefully. In formation of ammonium hydroxide, you can see NH3 plus H2O we are taking. Now, ammonium chloride, what we are taking? Ammonia plus hydrogen chloride. Do you understand, guys? Everyone? So both are very, very important. Whenever ammonium is forming in the product side, in reactant side, who must be there? Ammonia must be there. Clear, guys? Yes, that is you have to remember it. Yes, that is. Next, formation of ammonia. Anybody can tell me formation of ammonia? Anyone? Nitrogen gas will react with the hydrogen gas will give you ammonia, NH2, which is also in liquid gaseous state. Now, if you notice it, I will keep it as a double arrow. What do you mean by double arrow, guys? Anybody can tell me? What do you mean by double arrow? I told you. It is reversible reaction. It is reversible reaction. And the required temperature is very high. 500 degrees Celsius to how much the temperature? 500 degrees Celsius and 200 atms. Understand? So that is why we can say it is high pressure and high temperature. What is that, guys? High pressure and High pressure and
and high
high
temperature.
temperature. So if you want to make ammonia, high pressure and high temperature. If it is reverse happen also, high pressure will release or not?
Low
Please
pressure and a low temperature, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Reverse also high pressure and high temperature. Do you understand, Sai? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Formation, if it is taking more temperature, reverse also it will take more temperature. Okay, Sai? That is the meaning. That is what I meant.
Right, release only, no, sir.
Formation of ammonia will take place at more high temperature and high pressure. Reverse also will take place what? High pressure and high temperature. Is it okay, Almukil? Please respond.
Sir, for reversible process, it will observe the high temperature
It
only, no, sir.
will release. It will release high temperature and high pressure. Okay? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Understand what I'm saying? For taking place, it will take place high temperature and high pressure. When it will reversible action taking place, high pressure and high temperature will be released.
Release.
No, sorry, not release. Then also it is required same. Then also it required high pressure and high temperature. Okay, not released, guys. Sorry for that. So not released. Then also it needs to.
Both the time it want.
Both the time, not the constant, it required high pressure and high temperature. Is it okay? Sai? For taking place reverse also, we need high
Okay,
temperature and high pressure. That is what you have to remember. Next, formation of sulfur trioxide. Anybody can tell me? Formation of sulfur trioxide. Formation of sulfur trioxide. Yes, please. Sulfur trioxide. So if you take, for example, first sulfur plus oxygen will react, it will form sulfur dioxide gas. Understand? Sulfur dioxide gas. Now, this sulfur dioxide gas will react with oxygen. Again, will form what, guys? What will form? Will react with oxygen, then it will form sulfur trioxide gas. What will form? Trioxide gas it will form. Now, here we have to use some catalyst also. As I already taught you the catalyst. So here the catalyst which we are going to use is vanadium oxide. What is that, guys? What is that?
Vanadium oxide.
Vanadium oxide. So please kindly remember that. That is name called as vanadium oxide. All of you remember that. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any doubt? Kindly ask me. So this is what it is. Next. Have you noted down? Yes?
Noted.
Yeah, vanadium oxide. Yeah, which will speed up the reaction. Yes, Bahadrani. Which will speed up the reaction, vanadium oxide. Next. Formation of carbon dioxide. One more possibility is there. Anybody can tell me? As we know, carbon plus oxygen will react, will form carbon dioxide. But one more possibility is there. That is what? Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide will react with oxygen, will gives you again carbon dioxide gas, plus also they will release heat. So also release heat. Also we can say which example it is? Exothermic reaction.
Exothermic.
This is all the things which we can make examples of what? Combination reactions. So anybody can, you tell me if you want, you can make more examples also. So these are all the examples of combination reactions. So hope you all understand. So combination reactions, how many types again? It will be taking place. What is that? 3 different things. So combination reaction. So what is that, guys? What is that? Usually
Element and
Compound.
compound.
Now remember, the catalyst which we are using in formation of sulfur dioxide, what is that? Vanadium pentoxide. Remember all of you. What is that? Vanadium pentoxide. Vanadium.
Vanadium dioxide.
vanadium pentoxide. So vanadium pentoxide, 5 is there. So that is why it is called as pentoxide. So please remember that. So now what Durga is asking catalyst. Catalyst means Durga, which will directly won't involve in the chemical reaction. As I said you, suppose two of you are fighting. Now someone middle will interfere and I will say either they will increase the fighting between you by saying some kind of rumors and all, or they can compromise you and they can stop you. But they are not going to affect any more between your fight. Just they are trying to increase or decrease the rate of reaction. So this person we used to call it as catalyst. No direct involvement in reaction, but will change the rate of reaction, but which will change rate of reaction. Rate of reaction means what? Either can increase or decrease. That is what we used to say rate catalyst. Is it okay? Yes, please. I already taught you so many examples of catalyst reaction.
Yes, sir.
So already so many examples last before class I make you so many examples of catalyst. Anybody can tell me examples of catalyst using catalyst? Formation of ammonia, we are using one catalyst. Anybody can tell me what is a catalyst? Formation of ammonia. Yeah, enzymes.
Sir,
Of,
iron powder.
that is, enzymes we can say.
Iron powder.
Understand? In our stomach, so many enzymes will released by glands. That is called as biocatalyst. Okay. So next, iron. A formation of ammonia. We are using one catalyst. What is that? Iron powder. Do you remember? Iron powder. And formation of ammonia we used to call with some name. What is that name, guys? Formation of ammonia.
Haber's process.
Very good.
Haber process.
Haber's process. Okay. Same way. We are using next one decomposition reaction. We are using one thing. That is what potassium chloride will react. Will if you will start heating. So we are using one catalyst here. What is that? Manganese dioxide. Understanding 2 KCl plus 3O2 will give you. This is not combination reaction, but I am saying where we are using catalyst. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
That is you have to remember it. This is all you can say. We can say this is all the examples of catalyst. These are the 3 only from class 10. You will get these 3 only. Formation of sulfur trioxide. Next, formation of ammonia. Next, this decomposition of potassium chloride. Okay. This is called as potassium chloride. So this is the 3 only you have, and some enzymes are there. So that enzymes is not come under chemistry. So you don't need to worry about it. So this is all about it. So if you notice it, so everything, all the enzymes we used to call it as biocatalyst because they will be altered by our physical reactions taking place in our body. And these enzymes, they are the proteins which are produced by where, guys? The enzymes are proteins which are produced by various glands. Okay?
Yes, glands.
Glands in our body. So actually they are what? Proteins. Understand? So that is what you have to remember it. So this is all about this, and with this I will leave you. Then tomorrow we'll study the second type of reaction. Now the first type of reaction. Anybody is having any doubt in first type of reaction? Please respond. Yes. So type of reaction we used to call combination reaction. So with this I will leave you. In tomorrow's class we'll study the second. No. What is the state of vanadium oxide? Vanadium oxide solid state only. Okay. That is okay. So vanadium oxide solid state. So now it is inorganic compound solid state only. So this is all about it. With this I will leave you. Then tomorrow we'll meet. Hope you all understand. So tomorrow we'll study the second type of chemical reaction. What is that? That is what? Decomposition reaction. Okay, guys. So with this I'll leave you. Thank you all. We'll meet.